Hi and welcome to Ocean AI. Today just doing a review of the oil chart that I sent out yesterday. So overnight we had this completion of the 3-drive ABCD pattern up into 119.33 here. There's a 1.618 of this move here, and the ABCD was coming in just a touch higher, about 1950-ish. So now we've had that last little spike up there. We've sold off from there. If we go into a 15-minute, go smaller, go to 3-minute. So this was the AI yesterday, looking for a high coming in here. We got that one more spike there, and then it sold off. So what happened once it did sell off is we got this real nice little Gartley here, and that came back to, I think, about 38%. Yeah, so that's your perfect setup after you've had a good sell up like that. That's your Gartley pattern. Just goes from there to into the 382. So that's that would have been a good place to add in if you got in from the top. You wanted to get a bit aggressive. If we go from there, now what we're looking at is we're going to do the same thing again. So we'll bring that down to here, because we haven't had much of a rally yet today. It's just going sideways here, so that's sort of a sign of weakness. So what we want to do is to sell the 382 if that gets up to here around 16, say 35 to 40, something like that, because that would give us that 382 from the top here. And ideally you'd want to see exactly what happened here, the ABCD, and then dropping the same there. So yeah, that's what we want to see here. So we go with that one. We can go from this low to this high to that low there. Yeah, so that gives us A to B, B to C, and C to D. That would take us up to there. So if you're not short now, this is where we need to get short and only need to stop. We're looking at probably 100-point stop loss. Yeah, so I'll post that in the group. I think that could be a good trade if we get up here. But if it drops down again, then we might get, so it comes up here, doesn't hit our target, might come down for one more low, down into 38% here, and then there's a chance of that, and then we get the bigger sell-off. So a couple of things to keep an eye out on. And if we go back to 30-minute here, what we look for would be a repeat in retracement. So if we get this ABCD and move that over to here, that would bring us down to around that 110 level, which would roughly be 61%. What we had here, 61% here, so expect the same thing here. And depending on how it gets here, whether we buy again or continue selling, depending on time and price. So that's the oil market for today and what we're looking for. A few things to watch. Sell signal on the 382. And if it falls away before that, looking for it to bottom out around 1350 and then getting a rally before another sell-off. So, and that would take us up into that 50 to 60% area, and that would be a good low risk place to get on it too. So just see how it goes today. If we can get up to here, sell it from there. If it goes down lower, you can look for a pullback to buy it up to there, or otherwise looking for that ABCD pattern into there to sell again. So yeah, that's the oil market today. Hope this helps. Thanks for tuning in. Cheers.